This YouTube channel has 1.48 million subscribers for just his 26 short videos. And the most famous short that he uploaded got 157 million views, right? So in today's video, we're gonna go ahead and recreate these kind of videos with the help of free AI tool and show you exactly how you can go ahead and create these very easily and get so many subscribers and so many views in no time. So yeah, without further ado, you guys, let's jump right into it. So what I'm gonna do is, first of all, I'm gonna go to ChatGPT and create prompts for this, right? So yeah, I'm gonna take a screenshot of that, come to ChatGPT, and you guys can see I pasted the screenshot to ChatGPT and said, so this AI duck shorts are very viral on TikTok and YouTube shorts nowadays. Take a look at this image for reference and generated me a prompt which generates the exact AI generated images of it. So yeah, I'll be needing a complete series of prompt like storytelling. So don't worry guys, I'm gonna go ahead and just copy paste all of these prompts to you guys so that you can generate your own and start uploading them right away, you guys, right? So ChatGPT provided me with all the prompts with a complete storyline that I'll be needing for this YouTube short. But we're not going to stop here, so we're going to go ahead and customize our prompts more and more with the help of ChatGPT. Like I said, add some more scenes in between the story. Then you have some more prompts, and then you guys can see I've said, okay, so generations are good, but the duck and the kitten look so baby and small. I mean, look at the reference image and add some more detail to the prompt. So now after lots and lots of tries, I basically, just played around with ChatGPT so much so that I get my perfect prompts to generate the results, you guys, right? So yeah, once all of our prompts are ready, so we're gonna then move to FlexClip. You can move to any AI image generator that you like. Just simply go ahead and copy paste all of my prompts to FlexClip AI image generator and make sure that your style you're choosing is 3D animation, you guys, right? Then the model will be ultra, ratio would be obviously 9:16, and let's array this. So yeah, now you guys can see FlexClip has basically provided me these kind of images for all of my prompts that I created with ChatGPT. And by the first look of it, you guys can see the images look really good. So these images will be needing to create videos out of, you guys, right? So yeah, from here, I'm gonna simply go ahead and download my best images from FlexClip one by one. Alright guys, so once my images are downloaded, so the next step is we need to go ahead and animate these images into videos. So for that, we're going to use Hailuo AI, the best AI image generator out there. And from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the image to video feature of Hailuo AI, just paste all the images that I created with FlexClip right over here in Hailuo AI, and just simply paste the prompt. So now comes the very important part, right, you guys? We have to basically play around with the prompts very smartly so that we get our perfect generations. We don't mess up our generations, you guys, right? Like, I'll show you the example. I've said keep the camera still, and in the image the duck is trying to walk with an injured leg and moves towards the POV while struggling to move as the duck has injuries, so using crutches to walk and get support. So yeah, these kind of descriptions you have to provide to Hailuo AI to get the perfect output, and for that it provided me with this result. So you guys can see the results we get wasn't perfect at all. So I basically went ahead and tried another generation. So yeah, this wasn't that good as well. Then we have another generation, which is this. So yeah, this is looking pretty good now. So our prompt was this. So once again, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and copy paste all of the prompts in our website, and I'm going to attach the link down in the description so you can go ahead and get started, with just the prompts that I use in the video, so you don't have to struggle as I did in creating these kind of videos, you guys, right? Alright, so once all of my videos are done with the help of the FlexClip images that I created, so after that, I'm going to simply go ahead and download all of my favorite generations one by one. Alright, so once all of my videos are downloaded as well, so from here, what we have to do is we need to go ahead and combine all the videos with the help of little editing. So we're going to use Filmora for that. Just need to go ahead and upload all of the videos right over here. Just drag them to our timeline. So over here, this is how your timeline is going to look like. But from here, we need to go ahead and add some background music, right? So yeah, for that, we're going to go ahead and go to the most famous free royalty-free music library, which is Pixabay. And in that, we're going to go ahead and search for emotional background music, you guys, okay? All right, so it's going to provide me with lots of music that I can go ahead and use. So I'm going to go ahead and select my most favorite one from here. All right, so for example, we're going to go ahead and take this one. And from here, we're going to simply go ahead and upload this in my Filmora once again. All right, so after it's uploaded, we're going to drag it to the music file right over here. And simply after that, with a little bit of editing, just export this video. And after that, this is how your video is going to look like. So yeah, there you have it, guys. This was a very easy method to create these kind of duck quest videos very easily, and you can earn so many followers and so many subscribers with the help of that. Like I told you, the example of this channel, this has only 1.4 million subscribers for just its 26 videos, and you guys can get an idea like how quickly you can go ahead and start your YouTube channel with the help of these type of shorts with the help of a very amazing free AI tool. So yeah, I hope you like this video, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.